Hello everybody, I'm gonna show you some basic CSS tutorial in HTML. CSS stands for Cascade Style Sheet, which enriches the HTML content. That is the HTML page. In HTML we have title, head, body. In body we'll have our content, style will write in head. To write style, we'll have style tag, style start, style end. Body, suppose we'll write a div end. In div we'll set some text. Now we're gonna test. That is without any CSS. We did not set yet any CSS. Suppose class test CSS. Class will start with dot and name double curly braces start int. We're gonna set color, suppose green. Green color is what? Font size, suppose 36 pixels. Border 5 pixel, solid color red. Border is what? Background color black. Got background color. Border radius, suppose 15 pixels. Radius. You can see angle. You can set margin, suppose 100 pixels. This is the div and the outside is body. So margin will be from body. From where the margin? Margin is from the content, the outside of the another content, that is div. We consider specifically margin top, suppose 200 pixels. We just set top side margin. Margin left, suppose 500 pixels. From right, thanks for watching this tutorial.